negative 5 to the second power. And then let's compare that to a negative 5 to the second power. A negative 5 in a set of parentheses to the second power versus a negative 5 to the second power. If you are detailed enough and you put them in the TI-84 exactly as you see it, so you add the parentheses here, you leave it out here, it will give you the correct answer because it knows what it's doing. All right, a lot of people will look at this, put this in the graphing calculator exactly like that. They'll do negative 5 raised to the second power, and then it gives them a negative 25, and they're going, oh, but that's wrong, because negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. All right, the calculator didn't do it wrong, you did it wrong, okay? Because this over here says I'm going to take the base and square it. And my base on this one is clearly the negative 5 because I got my parentheses around both of that. So this one is my positive answer because negative times negative is positive. Over here, the base is 5 because there's an imaginary negative 1 sitting in front. So this right here, you've got to think of it as negative 1 times 5 to the second. The 5 is the only base. There was no parentheses around it. The negative here is part of the base because the set of parentheses around it. Over here, there were no parentheses. That negative is not part of the base. So if I did this, I would be doing negative 1 times 5 times 5, negative 1 times 25. Overall answer is negative 25. So when you enter it like this and it gives you a negative 25, it really did do it right. Okay.